Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to preview meeting co-organizers in Microsoft Teams, so you can see who has co-organizer permissions before the meeting even starts. Let's begin. First, open Microsoft Teams and make sure you're signed in to your work or school account. Next, go to the calendar on the left side. Find the meeting you want to check. Then click the meeting to open the details. Once the meeting details are open, click Edit. Now look for Meeting Options. This will open in a new window or tab. Go to Manage Event in the Meeting Options page. Scroll down until you see Roles. Under the Co-Organizers section, you'll see a list of people who are assigned as co-organizers for this meeting. This lets you preview exactly who has co-organizer access before the meeting starts. If you need to make changes, you can add or remove co-organizers here, as long as you're the meeting organizer. When you're done, click Save to apply the changes. And that's it. That's how you preview meeting co-organizers in Microsoft Teams before your meeting begins. This is especially useful if you want to make sure the right people can manage the meeting, admit participants, or help run the session. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more easy Microsoft Teams tutorials.